Today we will talk of two stocks, and let us see what is in store for us today. The market is in the perfect bullish trend. We do not have to worry about the market. So today we will check on the strategy, trend, moving average, possible profit, and swing trading with two stocks. Now, before going ahead with the stocks, here friends, you can really see, that this is Nifty. You can see here it is Nifty, and Nifty is perfectly showing that yes, tomorrow market is likely to go up. Mark my word, I am saying market is likely to go up. It is market, anything can happen. So we will be in the trading within the probabilities as always. So let us check with the first stock. Friends, the first stock which I have taken is MCX. Now when you say MCX, the results of MCX will be on 27th July 2024. The stock is actually in the uptrend. No issues on that. If you see, this volume also appears to be in the uptrend. RSI is at 53.98. It is in the direction is up. So direction of everything is up, including the direction of price, and red one is the moving average of 2. If you really see this moving average of 2 is somewhere, if you see in the wristwatch, it is 10 minutes past 2 or 5 minutes past 2. A perfect condition for us. So let us see what could be the strategy here. Friends, I must tell you that 2 days back I had already purchased the stock. So the strategy is now that it has closed at 3,905 today. The stock MCX has closed at this price. Our first target is 4025. That means roughly about 120 rupees, and 4,200 is the second target. Now, since the results are expected on 27th July, my belief is that we will conveniently go to 4,200. Nevertheless, whenever there is a cross between the price and moving average of 2, we will come out of the stock. That is strategy number 1. Strategy number 2 is MCX results are on 27th. Strategically, on 26th of July, one day before the results, I will be out because if the results are good, it will fire up. If the results are bad, MCX will collapse. Now, I want to keep my money intact. I don't want to lose in the profit. So, whether it goes up or it goes down does not make a difference to me. One day before declaration of the result, I will be out. So this is a perfect setting for making around, say, about say 10-15% in the next about 10 or 12 days time. Friends, now I would like to share with you the results of my previous video. Now we had talked about in the previous video about the OBJECTIVE reality. Results have come. The results of OBJECTIVE reality will be on 19th of July. As I have already told you that the stock had performed excellent in the previous quarter. That was not the worry, but stock continues to be in the downtrend as of now. So today it has closed at 1715. If for a day or two it remains over 1715, fine, we should buy the stock. Keeping in mind that 19th July is the result day. So 18th July strategically our swing trading will be over in 2 days time. So what can happen at the maximum is the stock can go up to 1800, and if the results are good, it will go to 1950 approximately. So both options are there. I think as the stock has gone up today, the stock will go up tomorrow also and day after also when we have to quit the stock. let's see how much money we can make. Nevertheless, for the purpose of understanding, I have said, that the person can make about 235 rupees between 1950s and today's price, roughly about say 12 to 15%. Now you check with your broker whether you should buy these two stocks or not. Both the stocks, they are in my portfolio, and I will be quitting them as I have told you. One thing more, friends, I am just sharing with you. One thing is that people actually are not commenting. Liking is very poor. Please let me know if the videos you are liking or not with your comments. Otherwise it becomes very difficult for me to continue with just 4 or 5 people responding every time and rest are keeping quiet. So let us earn together tons of money and be with me for next video. Thank you very much.